Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Have you seen in different place where you want to live? Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. That's good. Then, right. Because of without AC also you people cannot survive in there, right? AC also required. Okay, they people provide everything. I got your point. They people provide everything, but you take only your luggage, cloth, right? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay, they provide everything. Means daily uses electronics, right? Like a washing machine and charpai or that kind of means sofa, TV, that kind of, right? Chair. Oh, okay. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Then utensil also in there in kitchen. You can use their utensil. Do you use their utensil in kitchen? वही. Oh, yes, that's why I'm asking. Oh. Okay, you people. Because that is a gas company in there, right? They import export in different country, and India gas is a so cost, right? High cost in here. One cylinder is a means 2025. Sorry, 200. Not 2000. 2000. Sorry, 2000. Yes. Yeah, in India. Hmm. 15 hundred or 2000 here. No, right now increase. You see. You see. Maybe it is a they sell in call black. They sell in black. I think so. Okay. Hmm. But 2% is enough. But more than 2-3% it's not. Mhm. Oh, one cylinder per 1 month. Okay, I think you people don't cook lots of item, right? You take only non-veg that or hmm. Ah. And morning time, do you make your prepare your breakfast or do you take outside? Okay, you people don't eat breakfast? Oh, your company never provide also in that? Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, but what you don't take anything? You don't take anything, any kind of fruits, biscuit, chai. You don't take anything, huh? Oh, really? Oh my goodness. How can you people survive without breakfast? Hmm. Oh, but how you work in there 10 hours? Breakfast means okay. Is it your habitude, right? You habituated to this kind of thing. Hmm. Hmm. I sometime I get off around 7 or 6:30. Sometime I wake up and I normal around 6:30 or 7. 6:30 to 7. Uh-huh. Right. Because you wake up late, then you directly go to means prepare lunch and you take it. Right? Huh? That is a one because you don't get time to take breakfast. You get time to take lunch. Right? Huh. That you can do it. Because you go to bed also late, right? You go to bed late. After that you wake up late. Then you wake up late means around lunchtime, right? Nearest lunchtime. Then definitely you go and you take your lunch. Right. Then how you feel in there from India compared to India? Do you like staying in there or what else? Mm-hmm. 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 There is no any kind of home. That is a flat, right? And you never see any people roaming here and there on the road, right? Because if you outside, if you go to little bit outside and go to leave home, then we people see so many type of people in front of us in India, right? But there you cannot see. Hmm. Tell me. People they go south, maximum south part people, right? South part people. Yeah. Hmm. Hmm. South part people they want to go to Gulf countries, right? For their livelihood. like in Qatar, Kuwait,